Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Sifan. I hope you all are doing amazing. I just got back from grocery store and I just want to share with you guys how I'm going to organize my fridge. I have organized my fridge a while ago, but it just need to be reorganized again, and I want to dedicate the bottom drawer for snack as well. I will be showing unpacking and restocking everything. I hope you all like this video. Everything I used will be linked down in the description box. Let's go ahead and start. I did start taking out all of the old stuff before I left for grocery shopping, and this is what my fridge looks like at this moment. I'm gonna wash all of the clear ones I purchased, the new ones and the old ones I have in my fridge. I have tried removing the stickers by using my finger, but it wasn't working, so I had to get my hair dryer to remove the sticker, and it always works. Like, haven't tried this technique, please do, and I will come back and let you guys know what's going on next. Everything is clean and shiny, ready to go. I'm going to put back all the beans in my fridge and style them to my likings. I'm a big fan of having everything easy and accessible. Being able to see everything allows me to see what we are running low on and what we need to stock on. If you like the video so far, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Here is the fun part. You'll see me on this video organizing, reorganizing, and also rearranging most of the bins in my fridge. You don't need to organize your house like everyone else does on YouTube or TikTok. Just do what works for you and your family only. At the end of the day, how it makes you feel. So please just focus on you and your family only. Here is an overview of what my fridge looks like after everything is done and organized. Everything has a place. You can see everything we have in here, and also I have lots of space in my fridge. I did leave space right at the bottom for leftovers and anything we need to put in here, but also we can push back the bins and we still have more space, so I'm happy with that. Everything looks beautiful and organized. I do keep my fish oil vitamins in my fridge, so it's in here. All my condiments are in here as well. For salad dressing on the other side, I didn't do much in my freezer. It's not too bad, so I just left it alone. After all, everything turned out so beautiful. I hope you guys like this video. The snack drawer, as you can see on the video, it's so easy for them to reach and grab, so I'm grateful they're enjoying it. Until I see you all next time on different video, stay blessed and I love you.